Alright guys, here's a look at a vintage 1991 Kenmore 18,000 BTU wall/window air conditioner. This one's got the jagged fin condenser coil, a couple little dings on it here and there. Other than that, there's no coil rot on this unit, at least not that I've seen. You can kind of see the refrigerant tubing there. See it better there, but okay. Alright guys, this is the size of the unit. Okay, I'm gonna move back a little. Here's the entire thing right here. Here's my forearm to that. See, the gap of the condenser is actually bigger than my arm. Here's a look at the condenser fan on this guy here. It's got a mammoth capacitor right there. Look at the size of that sucker. Alright, you guys can see that. It's vintage. It looks like it's got an Emerson fan motor. I'm not exactly positive. I think that's an Emerson fan. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Now guys, here's a look at that monstrous rotary compressor. Look at that, guys. That's got to be a highlight compressor or something. Maybe a Tecumseh, I don't know. Yeah guys, look at the size of that thing. I mean, it's pretty big. So it's a 220 volt air conditioner. Yeah guys, I figured you wanted to see that. So anyway, like and subscribe for more videos like this. Joe, your HVAC railroad archaeologist.